want to bring a strong warning to Kanyari. I've never called your name. I want to bring a strong warning to you. Very strong warning. I speak by the Spirit. You might not like me. I'm not interested. But what you are doing is not of God. And no man has approached you to tell you. But I tell you the truth, you will have a difficult time as long as I'm alive. You are speaking by the spirit of lies. Jesus did not send you. Take that word to him. Lies on pulpit. And the problem is that no one here is willing. Even someone is being said, why did you call his name? Because you are a liar too. And the word of God is not in you. Obvious lies, and you're falling for them. The question that one writer asked, who bewitched you? If you send me 200, I'll send you 5,000 now. You think this is a gamble? You think this is lottery we are doing? Jesus says, come and buy of me without money. We speak of an ancient gospel that you have no knowledge of. Be quiet in our presence. And if you're not careful, I warn you, the Lord will descend upon you. And all those that have castigated the altar, the Lord is cleaning. I beckon you by the authority of God. Seize what you are doing. His sword is at hand. All those people that are standing behind the pulpit and lying by the Beelzebub, by a false spirit, the Lord is merciful. He's merciful. He's giving you time for you to say sorry and come back. You too that have called your name. He loves you. But in your own lust, you will drown. Lust for money, hunger. Instead of being hungry and thirsting for righteousness, your hunger and thirst is for money. I beckon you by the authority of God.